Have you ever wondered why some people, despite earning a decent income, struggle to accumulate wealth? The answer often lies in the way they manage their money. Today, we're going to uncover 5 common things middle-class people often waste money on, inadvertently limiting their financial growth. A shiny new car can be a tempting purchase, but it's worth remembering that a car is a depreciating asset. It loses value the moment you drive it out of the dealership. While it's important to have reliable transportation, opting for a less expensive but equally reliable vehicle can save you thousands in the long run. Dining out can be a delightful experience, but it's also a quick way to drain your wallet. Cooking at home not only saves money but also enables you to have control over what goes into your food. It's a win-win situation, good for your health and your pocket. It's admirable to want to stay fit and healthy, but an unused gym membership is money down the drain. There are plenty of ways to exercise without shelling out a monthly fee, from walking or jogging in your local park to online workout tutorials. The thrill of unboxing a new gadget is undeniable. However, constantly upgrading to the latest technology can be a significant drain on finances. Instead, consider buying technology that meets your needs rather than going for the newest model. While high-quality clothing can be a good investment, it doesn't necessarily have to be designer. Often you're paying for the brand name rather than the quality. Shopping smarter and looking for quality over labels can save you a considerable amount. So to sum up, the 5 common things middle-class people often waste money on are expensive cars, eating out, unused gym memberships, the latest gadgets, and brand name clothing. By being mindful of these expenditures and making more financially savvy choices, you can make your money work harder for you and potentially grow your wealth. Remember, it's not how much you earn, but how you manage what you earn that determines your financial future.